Across the world, every country, every continent has that one food, that one meal that everyone from there goes for. Something, if you see on a menu, that's your number one. And for many in the Mediterranean, that is moussaka. Moussaka is a traditional Mediterranean dish, most commonly associated with Greek cuisine, though it has roots in the wider Middle Eastern and Balkan regions. The dish typically consists of layers of sautéed aubergine, ground meat, often lamb or beef, potatoes, and a rich bechamel sauce. It's seasoned with a blend of spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, and allspice, giving it a warm, aromatic flavor profile. The earliest versions of moussaka can be traced back to the Ottoman Empire, where aubergine and meat-based casseroles were common. However, the modern Greek version, with the distinctive bechamel sauce on top, was popularized in the early 20th century by Greek chef Nikolaos Silamentes. He introduced French culinary techniques such as the creamy bechamel into traditional Greek recipes, refining the dish into what we know today. Moussaka is baked until golden and bubbling, often served in slices as a main course. Each region, of course, has its variation. The Turkish version uses yogurt, while Balkan versions may omit the bechamel altogether. Despite these differences, moussaka remains a beloved comfort food, embodying the fusion of cultures that shaped its creation. If you'd like to hear us talk about more areas of culture, food, recipes, and far more, please do like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.